Next, the ham. Candy canes are a Christmas signature for most people. So our producer has provided us with the tools to create our very own candy cane station. Yes.
Isn't that just wonderful?
We know exactly what to do, don't we now?
No. So
Correct.
we're supposed to decorate the table and everything, right? Can't bother the waiting thing. All right, hold on now.
Okay. Hold this door.
So if I go so, Landilo, come here. Come here, no Landilo. Hold that down there, sir. Wait, no man, hold it down there.
You know, Harold, that's
Wait
why
here.
sometimes I don't like to talk to you.
Wait here. Sit here, pride, sir, Landilo. Yeah?
I never ask you
No,
anything in
yeah.
a hurry.
So it does. Dial a while up. Tape it so. Bring peace, bring it over here. Make it tongue. You know amigo so? So? What's your name?
See, it's something like this I was looking for Diamond Mine and you couldn't understand. Look at this now. See? Fancy.
Landilo is the elf.
Skirt.
Landilo, where you going? Sim, what are you doing?
I'm decorating the candy cane.
Wait, no dial a while up. We will do this now. Wait no man.
But I want to understand that Kay said we should do a candy cane station and we haven't taken out the candy
Dial,
cane.
we don't done yet, you know. We don't done yet. We want another one, another thing, you know.
I think I just broke a candy cane. Sorry, Kay.
Sorry folks that I have to turn my back, but I have to start out this thing. We do.
Sorry about that.
Dial a while up. Come to dial. Oui. Tape.
She said this. Oh, my toy's gone. Oh,
No man, you know you're trying to.
bracelet. Oh,
Hey.
look here. No,
Come
this is a
down.
bed. You should really have this on, you know.
Oh, me look. See, my friend, that is look like it's me one working still.
I'm providing the music. Jingle bells. Get it?
Wait, no, man.
I just put 2 candy canes in the plate and you took them out.
More?
See, look, Neva. I made my candy canes into a heart.
I'm good?
You see it? Look, guys.
No, I don't want
See?
this.
Hearty cane.
I don't want this.
Candy cane says, I love you. Love you. It's very hard work, you know. What has never done exactly?
I mean, I do everything.
Fancy. What do you say, Prince? Never, what is that? This is in there as well. So why you put these around there? Why don't put some jelly beans in there? And give it some color. And find another way to pop up the star. Oh, pretty.
Landile.
What's really happening here?
My thing look nice, you know. We're going to news.
Boy, Jesus, I'm sorry, Jesus. I didn't mean to drop